Nature is pretty cool. I like to go hiking, usually, almost all the time. I like to play tennis. Uh, I like to go camping and go hunting and shoot bears. So I've been there a couple times. I inspected this tree a couple times. I definitely wrote this tree down more than once in my tree journal. I can't really show you right now, but somewhere deep into there, I carved my name in there on that tree. This is a green bradberry bush tree. So this one's pretty young. That one looks like it's pretty old and it's dying. But nobody cares about that one. You also got this one, which is also a green bradberry tree. I did carve my name on that one too. This one's a different tree right here. It looks the same, but don't get it mistaken, okay? This is the green slamming tree. And I don't know what this is, so. These green coconuts here on the trees, they're like really good. They're really tasty. If they're let's say if they're brown, then they're good. They have a lot of flavor to them. If they're green, that means they're still growing. But either way, they're gonna taste really good. Green are sweet, and no, green are sour. Sorry, and brown are sweet. I feel like you should try it. They're coconuts, so really good. So everybody thinks I live in a forest, but I really don't. I live in a swamp. I have my own swamp. It's a really nice swamp. I have a pet donkey with me. He's my companion. We go around together doing some crazy stuff, going to parties, you know? Yeah, pretty nice though. When I go camping, I usually go bird watching at the same time. It's actually pretty fun. I spot a lot of different types of birds. I write them down in my bird journal. And it's really fun to do. I also look for different types of bugs, and I write that down in my bug journal. And then I also go fishing, and I look at the fish I get, and I write that down on my fish journal. I like to look at other types of trees, because there's like carvings on trees, and I can also carve myself. So sometimes I carve my name on the tree, and I inspect the tree and I write it down on my tree journal.